Hi and welcome to Masterfulworks YouTube channel, and for today's video we're going to talk about how to hide and unhide your objects in Blender. So to hide objects, it's pretty simple. So what you need to do is select your objects first and then press H on your keyboard and it's hidden. To unhide it, simply press Alt plus H on your keyboard and it shows again. To hide other than your selected objects, press Shift plus H on your keyboard and it only shows the selected objects and hide other than that. To show others, it's the same, which is press Alt plus H on your keyboard. There's actually another way to do that, which is isolate the view or local view. To do that, press / key on your keyboard, or you can just go to the view here and then local view, toggle local view, and we can see the hotkeys as well here. To go out from this local view, press the same key, which is the / key on your keyboard, and yeah. To hide or unhide your collections, press the number row on your keyboard. So for example, if I press the number 1 in my keyboard, it only shows the collection 1. And if I press number 3, if I press number 3 here in the viewport, it only shows the collection 3. And the same for number 2 as well. And to unhide the other collection, you can't just press Alt plus H in the viewport here because it's just not work. So what you need to do is hover your cursor here in the layer section here and then press Alt plus H. And there we have it. And there's also worth mention about hiding objects in the final render, because it's quite important. So for example, we're going to try to hide the 3 objects here on the top and then press H here. And as we can see in the viewport here, it's already hidden. And if I press the render mode here in the viewport, it's also hidden. But if I press the F12 or a render image, which is the final render, as we can see, it's still visible. Our hidden object here is still visible in the final render, because there are actually 2 icons here, and the eye icon here is only affect the viewport, and the camera icon here is only affect the final render. So as we can see here, our selected object is already unchecked here in the viewport, the eye icon, but for the camera icon it's still on. So what you need to do is uncheck the camera icon for the selected object, and if I press F12 again, it got the same result with the viewport. So yeah, there you have it. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.